time I left this, I just screwed up some of the auth stuff, and I found out there was a different SDK package for React with Auth that I didn't know about. So I'm going to rip out what I did, replace it with that. I've had a quick play around with it to have a look at what it looks like, and it seems to be much better. I think the only other thing I did, the only thing I've done off of stream is set up an API in Auth. I've not touched the code, apart from apparently. Let's have a check. No, I think more. Yeah. So let's start there. Let's continue. So I'm going to follow this guide for most of it. This will do me pretty much everything I need to. It is. No, I need to zoom this in, don't I? That's one. Okay, so remove the old one. The new one. Just going to change how I do a few things. Let's first rip it out. I don't need the service anymore, I believe. Getting bold now. I'm just going to comment out a lot of things. I'll tidy up in a bit. I think it's less a rewrite, more of a gutting. But yeah, I'll get back to these in a bit. Need them for now. Callback, that can go. Don't think I'm going to need that anymore. Right, so I've added a new one, and if I go back to this is actually a bit. Does this tell me it, or is it the other one? Yeah. So this is a bit different. So you wrap the app in an auth provider now. So an index like that. I think it's wrapping the router as well. Right. Oh no, it's not quite right. It is just the app, not the router. Yeah, they've got they seem to have a full-on implementation for React, making nice things. And from what I saw, I had the service that had handled things like call and log in, log out, and manage keeping state of what's logged in and things like that. It seems to be all done for you in their library now. So you wrap your app in this provider, import the library using this use auth function thing, and from that you can get out all sorts of ways to get tokens if you're authenticated or not, log in, log out functions and all sorts. So it should hopefully be a lot nicer. So yeah, I've got the but there is still more to add to that. Don't care about the history bit for now. The bit I need first. Oh, it skipped it. Missed a bit somewhere. I'm not seeing it here. Ah, that's that bit. I need these. No buttons or anything like that. It's just well, because you implement the budget cell, it just gives you the functions you need to call. With me in files. That's my domain. Okay, that's the one after. What else is there? What next? There'll probably be more I have to learn about this, but I'm just trying to bare minimum for now. Yeah, pretty much. So you wrap your app with this provider, which makes anything from this library available throughout. So now we can grab this, use auth. If I go to my home page, and wrong one, import it there. I'm going to change this up a bit. See if I remember how to do this without checking things. Highly unlikely. Ooh, that one better than I thought. Right then. I didn't actually switch back for that, did I? Yeah. So we can have a login with redirect here. You can just take that. And then where's my in button? I'll try this first and see if I've screwed out else before I move on. Yeah, that should do login. I don't need that. That makes sense. Oh yeah, of course. Deleted that. Need it. I've used both a little bit, but I actually preferred Vue. I preferred Aurelia as well. I think I just went with React just because of how popular it is. It's everywhere. So anything I do screw up, at least there's thousands of people that should be able to help, which is always a bonus. What? Callback is... I've done it again somewhere. Of course. I'm on form today. At one point I'm going to start streaming before 9 PM. Past my bedtime, I'm too old for this. There we go. Let's get that start and see how broken it is. Oh, didn't want that. Tiny little zoom it. Show the graphics. Does it find me? That's a good start. That is a good start. I think I can wait. That's a good start. It looks like login works. We'll assume it does until I know otherwise. So once I've done that, start doing a few other bits. So we've got login. It does show you, I think, on there about using the is authenticated as well. Somewhere. Yeah, putting it is authenticated as well. Which is nice and easy. I'll bring in log out as well. So if you're not authenticated, log in. If you are, you'll just log out. Log out. What's that? Just log out. It's easy. If I go back now, that looks good. Log out. I can log in again. Cool. So the next thing I want to do, test my API. I need a token. Which bits? Like, is it just like it's authenticated and the Boolean checks and things like that? Yeah, I'm still not great at them. Like, to me, that doesn't make sense. Saying that if that is, then render this. That's just weird. But as I say, I'm still getting used to it. I'm sure it makes sense to some people. I think that's why I liked Aurelia. I think that's just much cleaner to write. It's just such a small community around it. I didn't want to base a full project around it just yet. Hopefully it'll pick up though, because like I said, I do prefer that. So I did that. Oh yeah, there's my very secure one, yeah. So I'm going to put both of these in here. Secure. It's fine. So that's going to change. Don't we want that? Secure API says let's put in some buttons. Yeah, I know. And then it was blah 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 blah. I just search for access token. The access token silent. Then security connector. Oh, what did I do? Oh. That's fine. Alright, so let's make sure the API is running. Okay. So if we go back now. Oh, our console's not very visible, is it? Can you zoom that in? Oh yeah. Everything to max. Oh. Right, so if I click that one, good. Oh, let's make sure it works if we logged out. Broke it. No. Oh, that's fine. Okay, so I can do that one logged out, that's fine. But this one should throw an error. nice error, but it does throw one. Something. Worry about that later. It's been a bit slow today. I don't think that's my internet. I guess this is a problem when you farm out your services to someone else who needs to do it. Okay, so logged in. Now does it work? Oh, broken. I think you can, but not with the free plan that I'm going to be using, because I'm tight. If I open it up on the pricing, it tells you. Part of the reason I'm using it is you get your first few thousand a month free, and only then you have to start paying. So you get free up to 7,000 active users. And I figure by the point I'm past that, I can start paying for it and get the features, and then you can get your different customization and things. You get it sends out confirmation emails, the password reset emails and everything. But there, as it stands, will just be standard auth. It always mentions your application and what it's from and things like that, but it does look a bit naff. But I think when you're first starting out, does it really matter? And then once you pass the point where you've got a first couple of paid people, I'll upgrade and then I can start customizing things. But to start with, I think it's fine. So I broke something into what did I break? Network error. Oh. Did it? Oh, let's see what the main API. Did that do anything? Yeah, we are. Error decoding token. Error decoding token headers. For me. My protected call. Tiny token, but it sends a token. What will I have done wrong? Audience. The audience has changed. That's not the correct audience. If I go back to the quick start. Not the quick start, let's try this guide. There we are. There's the author audience, which is the identifier from the API, which is that. So that's my audience. What else want to say to that? That's the audience in the API as well, I think. That's so I want to change that really. So that's audience. Get rid of, I think, yeah, maybe audience. Get rid of client. Stop. Go to there again. Let's try again. Okay. already put in tokeners still. Let's have a quick look. So, done the audience. The domain, I think, still fine. So the domain should be the same on both. Just find the... It's fine. Set the audience correctly as far as I'm aware. I go to index. So I set domain client ID in the redirect, but what I haven't set is my audience. Probably not a good idea. That again. Just keep trying after every single little change and we'll see what happens. Pick the new values. That's fine. Hey, there we go. Alright, just missing that. That's better. So if I go back and tidy up now, so we don't need... I'm not using welcome at all, we'll deal with that later. There's nothing actually happening in there. They both work fine. I think that's it, actually. I don't think there's anything else to tidy up really. That's a lot cleaner now, so we've gone from having that whole weird service file to manage stuff and to literally just providing this, wrap it in this provider, and then we can just use functions from it, and that's it. That's literally it. That's ace. I'm gonna, before I break anything, I'll get that in. Ooh. README, I just added a link, I think, to Trello, yeah. Yeah, so just there, link to Trello, audience updates, changing the bit of those. Removing callbacks if not needed. Either. Moving some shit around. Yeah, that's a lot more deleted is always good. Hold on. Oh, that's actually pretty much all I wanted to really get done today, but it's not been very long at all, so I think let's be ambitious, because these look naff, but I want to start adding a better UI. I don't want, I'm not going with Bootstrap. The one I decided to go with is Tailwind. That's in Tailwind CSS, got confused then. So it's Tailwind. The only weird thing I find is if you look here. Oh shit. Look how long your class names get. It's mental. But I quite like this. It seems to be on the rise as well. I'm going to give it a crack. Just need to figure out how to bundle that into React. Well, my plan with this one, because you set up these stupidly long classes, but then you're going to reuse them all over the place. So my plan is just to come up with the basic styles that I'm going to use. These are going to be my headings, these are going to be my table headers or whatever, and things like that. Button styles, my primary, secondary, and all that kind of crap. And I'll just set up a bunch of constants for them, so throughout your HTML you'll just see references to this constant. You won't see all this stuff. Should make it a bit nicer to work with, I think, at least. Yeah, let's get the Y, or when not to use, I don't care. There we go. Oh, that's a lot of crap, isn't it? Well, I've checked it all in. Let's see what happens. Get reset hard if it goes wrong. Oh no, don't want that one, I've already got that. That's the wrong one to copy. Well, that one I meant. Yeah. Let's just Tailwind the post CSS. I'm a bit surprised I ain't got that already. Mind you, if I it'll be in the React scripts. And then I have no idea, if I'm honest. Whatever it comes up with is in as like plug and play. I literally, it's a USB one, so I plugged it in. I changed the pattern on the back, upped the gain slightly, and that's been about as much as I've experimented with this. Not bad. So I've already got the auth change I wanted to do done. So we've moved to the React specific library rather than whatever I was doing. I think I did that in an old project with Aurelia or something that they didn't have a specific library for. But either way, it's moved over and that's working, and it seems it's a lot cleaner. It's all I really planned on getting done, but it didn't take very long, so I'm going to try and start adding Tailwind into the front end now. I have no idea what I'm doing naturally, so I'm just following some guide on the internet. We'll see what happens. Where do I have to go for this? It's told me to go in. I think it's in the front end. Which I'm in. See what happens. Promising. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy and paste everything really. I'm liking it so far. This is my kind of coding. Oh, keep using the mouse buttons and keep forgetting that the shortcuts on Streamlabs. That's fine. Not sure how that can be used yet. You're saying I have a Tailwind CSS. Since when do I have a Tailwind CSS? That's it, into that one. Source assets. Guess that. Shit. Didn't care to do that. Need better shortcuts for that. It's coming from build as well. Yeah. Import our main CSS. Get rid of the imported. Basically replace that with that, it says. I didn't put anything in main. Was I supposed to? Ah, no, when it generates it, puts it in the comment. I got you. Okay, then, so if I run that now. Excellent. Missing script, React scripts. Forgot that bit. It's far too warm in this room. In between the monitor and my PC, too much heat's getting kicked out here. Alright, so built. It's always a good sign. Start. How bad does this look? In theory, it shouldn't look any different. Oh, but it does. Okay, so let's try and style something. Components. Yeah, why not? Let's nick a button from somewhere. Oh, should I add a heading? Let's add a heading. I'll do. Oh. I'm gonna find something I can steal. Watch me. This is strange. Tailwind. Okay. Go on. Oh, this looks all like so much more work than what we're putting right now. Might be able to steal one from another project that I've got here. See what this one looks like. It's a long ass class name. Home. Here bottom. Any button. That's the right one, wasn't it? Hey, it works. It's always a good sign. So if I can't find a nav bar, just to steal one somewhere. There we are. Let's steal and repurpose. So I go. Give me a terminal. Don't want it. I want it in the app. Because this is going to be present everywhere. Okay. Is that the right way of doing it? Borrow. Well, what's the point in writing something from scratch and taking forever if someone's done exactly what I want to anyway? Yeah. They're just above the switch. Jesus. This probably wants to be its own component at some point. Let's get it working first. See what it looks like first, actually. Wow. Thanks, I've zoomed so far in. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I can just reuse it. So let's just tweak it a bit. I haven't got a real name, we've just got Casper. I haven't even got linked to pages yet, so. Let's get rid of it. Okay. So I did think about going for the whole atomic design thing, organisms and what have you. Huge work. We can have a nav. Let's just take that out. So doesn't need anything yet. So then I'm gonna want. Does Alt Shift F work for React components? What does that do? Is that like a text formatting thing? Oh. Oh. Cool. I had no idea that were a thing. Learn something new every day. It's the only thing I've learned today. To be fair, I think that'd have worked. I just don't think you're expecting the link to be over multiple lines like that. So I think if it was written out, I think he should have written different to what you're expecting. So we got that. I should set up a couple of pages, just dummy pages, really, just to get an navbar functioning and go into different pages. Link. Used to they still be A's or will this be link components? I think. Can't remember now. Maybe something like that. So if we said this one's two, what pages am I going to have? I'll call it jobs for now. Someone will post jobs. Oh, that's the handbag thing. We'll have a dashboard of some variety, I'm sure. Can we still do last name? Wow, that's not great, is it? Oh wait, I know what I've done. I think instead you don't. That's not you wrap it. Like I say, wrap a div. So I would have had just wrap it in a link instead. Something like that. Yeah, that's been to jobs, yeah. Just my bad. But can you? Seems like a waste of time doing all that stuff, doesn't it? So pretty. There's like a... Yeah. I wonder if I can just, instead of having a div at all, I'll put a class name on there. Yeah, that looks fine. Put down unnecessary crap that's not hanging around. I've already done that one. They lined up different. Or is that in my head? Oh. Yeah, it does look off, doesn't it? Why? Why does it look off? Well, that's not just me, I think. Just the best. Is it just something? Maybe. I'm just gonna... No, they are off. Yeah, definitely off. My face image isn't sharp. I got a screenshot and it is off. That's not just me. Why do I stop that? Right. Why do I stop it doing that? I don't care. Alright. So yeah, I'm not sure why they're off. That's weird. Could be. I have literally just stolen this. If I zoom back out, it looks a lot better. This would be effectively what you'd see on the mobile one. I won't worry about it too much now. I'll just get on with things. I'll replace that with a link. Box and then off that extra padding margin. There'll be a bunch of stuff now on the taking out, I think. I'll call this one a pricing page now. I'm not broke it. Yeah, I don't want to get that, like, weigh myself down with a cartload of design crap. I want to just get some stuff done first, then I'll try and revisit that another time. Otherwise I'll spend hours and hours twiddling with little watches and stuff like that. I know what I'm like. Too much reliability to do that. What does that look like? Oh, we've got a little icon I'll get rid of at some point as well. If I... Where should I store these? So if I create that... Constants... lad... So the utils... Give me to the file. Oh, best way of doing that. Here we go. Let's have a nav section. We can have a link. Yeah, that still looks alright. The music is just some Spotify playlist. I found what it's called. It's just some lo-fi Spotify playlist. I think I've actually played the wrong one today, but yeah. I did a quick search for like copyright-free music. I didn't want to get in trouble. I don't know what the rules are. I just wanted something. I think if I'm just sat in silence, it'd be a bit weird. We didn't want anything distracting or anything. And if I play anything popular, I don't know. Don't know if it'll suit me. I ain't got a clue what I'm doing. I don't know how I want. I don't want to waste too much time messing around with the constants and stuff, because I don't know how I want things to be structured in this navbar. I don't particularly like this navbar. I think it looks a bit naff. But I've got the basics in for storing my constants, and I've got some kind of navbar. I'm just gonna populate a couple of these pages. I probably should actually just send one to the welcome page. Just the jobs, so I put that as welcome. These pages aren't going to do anything right now, but I haven't even got around to populating my Trello board with anything yet. Yeah, I've got welcome and dashboard. There we go. Good enough for me. Where's my console gone? Ooh. That was also a bet. Yeah. Because I've just nicked stuff, it's not set up right for things. It's a problem for another day. I want to keep this one pretty short. Yeah, so I want all that. Tailwind. Oh, I keep forgetting to switch back. I think that's one of the things I need to change. I'm doing this, sharing a window and just switching back and forth. And I keep forgetting. Anyway, so that's the auth sorted out and fixed. So it works down a lot better now. So we've got these authenticator working. The library itself just works a lot better. The API is protected properly. And I've added Tailwind now and just set up some basics around that. So I think I'll leave it on them for now. I think I need to this weekend have a think and start adding things to that Trello board, just start working my way through things. I know there's stuff around that navbar's terrible. I need to sort out the Tailwind constants, I need to sort out the class name, I think I need to sort out how to look, colours, what have you, so that can go onto the board at some point. And then if I get a backlog full of things, I won't be fumbling around for things to do after I get something done in half an hour that I thought would take me an hour or two. But it's a progress, at least it's something. But yeah, I think I'll leave it there today. Say it's 10 o'clock here, and I'm an old man, so that means it's past my bedtime. But yeah, so I think, yeah, I'll call it a day. But thanks, hopefully it's relatively interesting, and to be fair, if anyone can actually understand what I'm saying through my accent and mumbling, I'm counting this as a success. Yeah, cool. Cheers for joining, and I'll this week I'll get a schedule up as well, so I want to set some more common hours per week. I'll probably just set up 2 slots a week, I think, then I'll make sure I do those 2. every week, and then in between them I'll do more and on what I've got going on that week and when I'm free, but at least set some standard hours. Well, cool. Call it a day. Cheers. So, hopefully see you next time.